Dear students, in today's online class, we discussed how to make a factor tree and how to find common factors. That is, in exercise 7.1, questions 2 and 3, we discussed in today's live class. Here, I'll explain you a few questions, and remaining questions you have to do on your own. And homework is also given in the classroom app. Kindly check from there and solve the sums. For making a factor tree, if you see here question number B, I'll explain 2B 32. This is your question. How to make a factor tree for 32? First of all, keep in mind that for any number, there can be different type of factor trees made. Not necessarily the factor tree which I am making, that same you should make. With any different solutions, we can solve the we can draw the factor trees. First of all, we have to see that 32 will come in which table? 32 will come in the table of 4. We'll make a line and write here 4. Then, in the table of 4, 32 will come in how many times? In the table of 4, 32 come in 8 times, so we'll write here 8. Then, we have a number that is 4 and we have a number that is 8. Both these numbers are coming in different tables. So for this 4 we will make factor like this, and for 8 also we will make like this. 4 is coming in which table? In the table of 2. How many times it come? 2 times. Same thing we have to do with 8 also. 8 will come in which table? Table of 2. How many times? 4 times. So we'll write here 4. We are given with 2, 2, 2 and 4. 2, 2 and 2 are those numbers which will not come in any other table. They are prime numbers. So nothing to do with these numbers. Only we will solve this 4 because this is possible in other other table. In the table of 2, 2 times. Now you can see we have got 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So it is not possible to continue further because 2 is not coming in any other table. So this is your factor tree for 32. I hope it is clear. Starting from the number that 32 will come in which table, how many times. We will keep on solving until we get at last the factor which will not further divisible in any other tables. One I have done, remaining you do on your own. Question number 3. We have to write the common factors there. A, I'll tell you, it is 8 and 12. Common factors of 8 and 12. For finding the common factors, first you find the factor of 8. We know that factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then we will write the factors of 12. We know 12 come in the table of 6 and 12. Okay. After writing both the factors, we will write here common factors. Common factors means those factors which you see in, here 4 also will be there, okay. Common factor means those factors which you see in 8 also and 12 also. 1 is there now. 1 is there in 8 and 12. So 1 we will write. 2 is there in 8 and 12. So 2 is the common factor. 4 is there in 8 and 12. So 4 is the common factor. Understood? You can see 3 is there in 12, but 3 is not there in 8. So 3 will not be considered as a common factor. Common refers to those factors which we see in both the given numbers. Like in 8 and 12, 2 and 4. 8 is divisible in 2 also. 12 is also divisible, and similar with 4. This is how we find the common factors. If you see another number, that is 9 and 15. Write the factors for 9. 1 and 3 and 9. Factors for 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. What are the common factors here? 1 is there and 3 is there. Okay, like this we do common factor solution. So completed question 2 and 3 today. Remaining questions try to do on your own. Tomorrow we'll begin further. Thank you everyone.